Pretty much the whole country is suffering power outages at various times. Most of them scheduled power outages, but there are emergency ones too when particular power stations have been hit. And again last night, they were among the targets. The focus of last night's strikes, and look at the numbers, 470 one-way attack drones fired from Russia, 48 missiles fired from Russia. Now, Ukraine is getting better at shooting those down, but inevitably when you're firing that sort of number, some get through. And as you say, particularly hitting focused, it seems, on western Ukraine. And that strike on apartment blocks in Ternopil, we know has caused a large number of civilian casualties. Latest figures we hear, at least 10 killed, dozens injured, including children. It is the biggest attack on that city of about just over 200,000 people in western Ukraine since the start of the war. So they are having to deal with this on a daily basis, and then also trying to rebuild their energy infrastructure, which then gets hit again. And it is very, very difficult, as you say.